we started FoundationDB in 2009, and the opportunity that we saw actually was based on looking for a database that we could use ourselves to potentially start a new company. We were thinking about what we should do after sort of having a good run with a previous startup. And we had all this interest in the NoSQL databases that were coming onto the market. But when we really looked into the details of them, we saw that a lot of them had sort of sacrificed, consistency or sacrificed transactions and sort of given up a lot along the way to sort of get to market. And we realized that there was a really interesting hard problem there and a big market opportunity for it if you could build a database that maintained some of the transactional guarantees but had the advantages of NoSQL. And so that was really what drove us to first start investigating the problem and ultimately to decide that we think we had an exciting solution and to try to build a company around that. The big technological difference is that we're trying to build a NoSQL database that has full transactional guarantees. And not just does it have the guarantees, but when those guarantees are, even when they're turned on, it runs fast, it runs well, it operates great, which is pretty sort of a unique set of capabilities, especially the transaction piece. But that's all part of a philosophy that's actually very different from, I think, what other people in the market are doing today. And the difference is that we're not trying to build sort of one database that we're going to say is the best database for all use cases. We're trying to build the best storage engine for bits and bytes, and then say, on top of that storage engine, which is our transactional key value store, we're going to provide an ecosystem of open source components that let you have sort of the databases and data models that you want. So again, we're not sort of trying to sell you one database, we're trying to build an engine and a tool that's going to provide you all the databases you need and all the interfaces you need for your product.